Chapter 21, Busy at Work. Our internal organs. Our internal organs are always busy working to keep us alive, even when we are resting or sleeping. Systems like breathing, digestion, blood circulation, and the nervous system work together to keep our body healthy and active. Today, we are going to learn about parts inside our body that are always busy working to keep us alive and healthy. These parts are called our internal organs. Even when we are sitting quietly or sleeping, our body keeps working. Let's see how. The respiratory system. First, let's talk about breathing. We need air to live. The air we breathe in has oxygen, which our body uses to stay alive. The organs that help us breathe are the nose, trachea or windpipe, lungs, and diaphragm. When we breathe in, air enters through our nose, goes down the windpipe, and reaches the lungs. Inside the lungs, there are tiny balloon-like sacs called alveoli. Here, oxygen from the air gets mixed with the blood. At the same time, the dirty air or carbon dioxide is removed from our blood and sent out when we breathe out. The diaphragm moves up and down to help air move in and out of our lungs. Protective system in breathing. The air we breathe may have dust and germs. To protect our lungs, the windpipe has tiny hair called cilia and a sticky fluid called mucus. These trap the dust and germs so they don't enter the lungs. The digestive system. Now let's learn about how food is used in our body. The digestive system helps break down the food we eat and it mixes with blood. This food gives us strength and helps us grow. The main parts of the digestive system are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Food starts getting digested in the mouth. It travels down the esophagus to the stomach, where it gets mixed and churned with digestive juices. In the small intestine, useful parts of food mix with the blood. In the large intestine, water is absorbed and the remaining waste is passed out as stools. The circulatory system. Our heart pumps blood to every part of the body. Blood carries both oxygen and food to different parts. This process is called blood circulation. The heart keeps pumping blood all the time without stopping. The nervous system. Now let's talk about how our body knows what to do. The nervous system controls everything. It includes the brain and the network of nerves. The brain tells our body how to move, when to eat, when to sleep, and even when to feel happy or sad. The nervous system also controls all other systems in the body. Other body systems. Our skeleton gives our body shape and support. The excretory system removes waste substances from our body like urine. Coordination between systems. All these systems, breathing, digestion, blood circulation, and nervous system, work together. If one system stops working, the others are affected too. That's why it is important to keep all parts of our body healthy. What we have learned? Today, we learned that the respiratory system helps us breathe and gives oxygen. The digestive system gives us energy from food. The circulatory system spreads food and oxygen all over the body. The nervous system controls everything.